The bones are sorted into controlled storage zones before washing, reserved exclusively for bone china dish set manufacturing. Crates of animal bones are unloaded and staged, ready to enter the controlled preparation line for bone china dishes.
Only clean, solid animal bones are accepted, since these will be refined into high-purity bone ash for bone china sets.
From the yard, bone crates move directly into the controlled indoor area, beginning the first processing steps for bone china.
Once unloaded, the standardized white trucks depart, leaving the bone materials ready for washing and preparation inside.
With raw bones received, the process moves indoors to begin intensive cleaning for bone china dish set production. The cleaning hall removes organic residues from bones, preparing a sterile raw material for bone china dish sets.
Bones are transferred from transport crates onto conveyors, feeding them steadily into the automated washing equipment. High-pressure water jets strip away remaining tissue and grease, leaving only clean mineral bone for bone china use. After washing, controlled hot air drying removes moisture, stabilizing the bones for sorting and further processing.
Cleaned bones are visually checked, and any pieces not meeting standards are removed before being used for bone china ash.
Inspection verifies that only clean, uncontaminated bones continue forward, critical for consistent bone china quality and whiteness.
Once washed and sorted, the clean bones are stored briefly, awaiting mechanical crushing into smaller pieces. Cleaned bones are segregated in a controlled area, clearly identified as feedstock for bone china dish set production only.
From the cleaning hall, the fully prepared bones are moved directly into the crushing and grinding section of the plant.
In the crushing hall, cleaned bones are mechanically reduced from whole pieces into smaller fragments for further milling. Clean bones are tipped into heavy-duty primary crushers that break them into more manageable fragments for grinding. The primary crusher fractures solid bones into coarse pieces, greatly increasing surface area for subsequent fine grinding. Crushed fragments are transported by conveyor to secondary grinders that will reduce them gradually toward a fine powder.
Secondary hammer mills further break down the bones, producing granules more suitable for controlled calcination and ash formation.
After hammer milling, the material resembles coarse sand, an intermediate stage before being ground into very fine bone powder. In fine grinding mills, the bone is reduced to a controlled powder, ideal for consistent bone ash calcination later on.
Cyclone separators capture the fine bone powder into sealed containers, maintaining cleanliness and consistent quality before firing.
Technicians verify powder fineness and consistency, which directly affects bone ash reactivity in bone china formulations. Once ground to specification, the bone powder is staged for high-temperature firing, where it will become pure bone ash. These kilns heat the bone powder to very high temperatures, transforming it into sterile, white bone ash for bone china bodies.
Controlled feeders introduce the ground bone powder into the kilns at a consistent rate to ensure uniform calcination conditions.
Inside the kiln, organic components burn away, leaving a mineral-rich, highly purified bone structure ready to become bone ash.
As firing progresses, the material changes from dull bone to bright white ash, a key ingredient in bone china bodies.
At the kiln outlet, the newly formed bone ash is cooled carefully, protecting its structure and reactivity for mixing later. Samples are regularly taken to check bone ash chemistry and whiteness, parameters crucial for premium bone china dish sets. Properly calcined bone ash appears bright white and finely divided, essential for the characteristic translucency of bone chinaware. Cooled bone ash is conveyed to dedicated silos, ready to be precisely weighed and mixed with other ceramic raw materials.
Engineers continuously monitor kiln performance, ensuring each batch of bone ash remains consistent for bone china formulations.
From storage, bone ash is accurately weighed, forming one of the key components in the bone china body recipe. In the mixing hall, bone ash is blended with carefully chosen clays and fluxes to form the bone china body slurry. Precisely weighed bone ash is the first major component added into the mixer for the bone china body formulation.
Kaolin, a refined white clay, is added to the bone ash to provide plasticity and structure in the ceramic body.
Feldspar acts as a flux, helping the bone china body vitrify at lower temperatures while maintaining strength and translucency.
Accurately measured water transforms the powder blend into a workable slurry, forming the base for bone china shaping processes.
Extended mixing creates a uniform, glue-like ceramic body, where bone ash, kaolin, and feldspar are thoroughly integrated. Screening guarantees a smooth, defect-free slurry, critical for forming flawless bone china plates, bowls, and cups later on. The bone china body slurry rests in agitated tanks, allowing physical properties to stabilize before forming dish set components. Lab checks confirm the slurry has the right viscosity and solids content for reliable forming of bone china dish sets. This homogeneous bone china body slurry will next be shaped into plates, bowls, and cups, beginning the forming stage.
Here, the prepared bone china body is shaped into plates, bowls, and cups on automated forming lines.
Pumps transfer the bone china slurry from storage tanks directly into automated slip casting machines for hollow pieces.
Slip casting fills absorbent plaster molds, where the slurry begins forming the thin walls of bone china cups.
As plaster absorbs water, a controlled ceramic shell forms on the mold walls, defining final cup thickness precisely. Once the correct wall thickness is reached, excess slip drains away, leaving hollow bone china cup forms inside the molds. Technicians carefully demold the still fragile cups, transferring each bone china piece onto a gentle drying conveyor system. For plates, jiggering presses a plastic bone china body against rotating molds, producing consistent thickness and precise profiles.
A rotary line simultaneously forms dinner, salad, and side plates, all matched for the bone china dish sets.
Trimming removes seams and irregularities, ensuring each bone china plate, bowl, and cup meets precise dimensional standards before drying. The shaped but unfired bone china pieces now head into drying areas, where moisture is removed in a controlled manner.
Carefully loaded racks enter controlled drying rooms, where humidity and temperature are managed to prevent warping or cracking. Technicians confirm that dried pieces have reached the proper strength, ready for their first high-temperature biscuit firing.
Dried bone china pieces are loaded onto kiln cars, spaced so each plate, bowl, and cup fires without distortion.
The first firing, called biscuit firing, hardens the fragile greenware into durable yet porous ceramic bodies.
At peak temperature, the body sinters, gaining strength while retaining porosity needed for later glaze absorption.
As the ware cools, it becomes rigid biscuit, the strong, porous base for later glazing and decoration processes. Biscuit ware appears chalky and porous, an ideal surface to accept the upcoming white glaze coating evenly and securely.
Dimensional checks confirm firing shrinkage is controlled, so every bone china plate integrates properly within coordinated sets. Once biscuit firing is complete, the now strong but unglazed bone china pieces proceed directly into the glazing department.
In the glazing hall, biscuit-fired bone china pieces receive a smooth white glaze that will later form their glossy surface. Multiple glazing systems apply a uniform white glaze layer to every bone china plate, bowl, and cup before refiring.
The white glaze suspension is continuously agitated, so each bone china piece receives an even, defect-free coating. A continuous glaze curtain coats plates evenly, producing a uniform base layer essential for flawless bone china surfaces.
Robotic sprayers ensure that bowls and cups receive the same controlled glaze thickness on every surface, inside and outside.
At this stage, the glaze is powdery and matte. Only after firing will it become glossy, brilliant white.
Glazed biscuitware is arranged on kiln setters so the molten glaze can flow and smooth without pieces sticking together.
During glaze firing, the coating vitrifies into a continuous glassy layer, forming the base sheen of bone china pieces.
After cooling, the bone china pieces display a smooth, brilliant white glaze surface, ready for decorative designs. Glaze inspection ensures surfaces are flawless and uniformly white before any decorative patterns are added to the ware.
These glossy but undecorated bone china pieces now advance to the decoration hall, where patterns will be precisely applied.
The decoration hall adds floral and classic patterns to the already glazed bone china plates, bowls, and cups.
Digital artwork controls ensure each printed pattern fits the exact curvature and size of the bone china pieces.
High-resolution printers create ceramic decals, which will later transfer intricate designs onto the glazed bone china surfaces.
Automated applicators position rim decals with high precision, ensuring every plate in the bone china set matches perfectly.
Computer vision verifies that each pattern is centered and aligned, rejecting any bone china plate outside tolerance limits.
Skilled decorators apply decals to complex shapes by hand, maintaining perfect registration across all bone china set pieces.
Freshly decorated ware is transported carefully, since the unfired patterns are still fragile and easily damaged by handling.
Before firing, sample sets confirm that each pattern coordinates perfectly across all bone china dish components in the collection. Color matching ensures the ceramic inks will fire to the intended shades on every bone china dish set produced here. Decorated bone china ware is carefully positioned on kiln furniture, ready for the final firing that fixes the designs permanently.
These kilns perform the final decoration firing, melting ceramic inks into the glaze on bone china dishes permanently. Racks of decorated bone china ware enter the kilns, where controlled heat will fuse designs into the glazed surface layer.
During this firing, the decorative inks soften and chemically bond into the glaze, becoming permanently part of the surface.
After cooling, the patterns are sealed beneath the glaze, yielding the final shining bone china finish consumers recognize. Viewed close-up, the decoration is fully integrated with the glaze, leaving a flawlessly smooth bone china surface to the touch. Backlighting reveals the characteristic translucency of high-quality bone china, a direct result of its bone ash formulation and firing. A clear, ringing tone indicates the bone china has fired correctly, free from hidden cracks or internal structural flaws. After final firing, complete bone china sets are grouped together, ready for systematic quality inspections and sorting by pattern series. Finished bone china dish sets now move into the quality control department, where every piece will be examined in detail.
With forming and every firing complete, the bone china dish sets are ready for rigorous final quality control procedures.
Final quality control ensures every bone china plate, bowl, and cup meets strict standards before packaging.
Flatness checks confirm that plates sit stable on tables and stack evenly within bone china dish sets. Dimensional gauges verify plate roundness and size, so each bone china piece nests correctly within boxed sets. Height and capacity checks ensure bone china cups are consistent, giving customers predictable volumes across every set.
Magnified inspection reveals microscopic flaws, preventing any imperfect bone china pieces from entering retail packaging. Each pattern is compared to a master reference, preserving consistent design placement across all bone china dish sets. A bright, musical ring indicates proper firing. Dull notes can reveal microcracks in bone china pieces before packaging. Automated scanners complement human inspectors, catching subtle defects across high volumes of bone china dish sets efficiently.
Pieces not meeting standards are removed, ensuring only flawless bone china ware progresses to packaging and shipment.
Approved bone china pieces are marked with traceable batch codes and quality labels before moving to packaging lines.
In the packaging hall, finished bone china pieces are combined into complete dish sets and protected for transport. Custom-cut foam trays cradle each bone china piece, protecting delicate rims and surfaces from shock during shipping.
Largest plates form the base layer of each bone china set, supported securely by custom-shaped foam compartments. Intermediate layers hold smaller plates and bowls, building complete bone china place settings inside each retail carton.
Additional foam layers absorb impacts, guarding fine bone china edges and decoration during long-distance transport and handling.
Detailed pallet labels support traceability, linking every shipment of bone china dish sets back to its production batch. Each sealed carton now contains a complete bone china dish set, clearly labeled by pattern, count, and production batch. Forklifts pick the required pallets of bone china dish sets and transfer them to the shipping docks for outbound delivery.
Barcode scanning verifies that each pallet of bone china dish sets matches the customer's order before it is loaded onto trucks.
At the docks, standardized white trucks wait to receive pallets of packed bone china dish sets for distribution.
Forklifts load the bone china pallets tightly and safely, optimizing space while preventing movement during transport.
Sealed trailers confirm that the bone china shipments remain secure from factory to distribution centers and retailers.
In retail spaces, the finished bone china dish sets are presented as coordinated collections, ready for customer selection. Customers appreciate the fine decoration and characteristic translucency that distinguish bone china from other ceramics.
Shoppers choose among classic and floral motifs, selecting bone china dish sets that match their home style preferences. Store staff provide boxed bone china sets from stock, ensuring customers receive complete, unopened collections from the factory.
From factory and store, the bone china dish set finally enters the customer's home, ready for daily use and special occasions. At home, bone china plates are stored within easy reach, their coordinated patterns adding refinement to everyday surroundings.
Lined together, bone china cups form a consistent, elegant ensemble that reflects the factory's precise manufacturing control.
Arranged together, the bone china pieces create a unified table setting, showcasing the factory's pattern coordination and finish quality.
From raw bones to finished plates, this bone china dish set's journey unites advanced manufacturing with everyday home use.